So I just want to say, yeah, thank you to all the contestants for entering the colour matching comp for 2021. We're pretty lucky in SA that we're actually still allowed to hold it and without too many dramas. I hope you guys enjoyed today and tested some skills out for you. So it was good. So thanks for entering the colour comp and the MTA for letting us host it here as well. I know it's been a long partnership with you guys. So yeah, thank you. So I'm just going to present some certificates for you guys, and Rob, get you up here, mate. So James Tucker. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mirza. Thanks, mate. Eblen. Thank you. Benjamin. Amber. Katie. And Nick. Thanks, guys. And last but not least, we've got the final prize as well, which is actually a pretty solid prize. Unfortunately, we don't have any second and thirds this year just because of the way that they wanted to do it and how it's going to run. So the winner of the 2020 colour comp is Mirza. So congratulations, mate. Brand new spray gun. Oh, beautiful. Some noise cancelling headphones as well. That's just a pot for your gun as well.
Beautiful.
So good job, buddy. A close second was Katie as well. So she actually won the solid colour, and overall, yeah, you took it out, mate. So congratulations. Cheers. Thank you, guys.